Hi there, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video you will learn how to edit an image inside your landing page.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are on the homepage of Deberoo, and in this video you will learn how to change an image inside your landing page. So let's dive straight in, and we're going to go to the advertising tab to the landing page builder. Alright, and here we are going to open one of the templates. Let's use this lander right here, and let's say you want to change this image. Well, you can very easily do so by simply double clicking on the image, and then this pop-up will appear. And right here you can drop your files, or you can click on the box and select the image that you would like to use. Press open, and now this new image will appear right here. It has now been uploaded to the landing page builder. And all you have to do right now is simply click on the image here, and as you can see, it already changed it. So let's take a look. Perfect. So now our new image is inside the landing page. We have changed it, and let's not forget to save it before we leave the lander. Save the lander with the button right here, and our template is saved. If this template has been published and you're currently using this lander, then you also want to publish the changes that you've made. Simply press publish, select the domain you want to publish this on, and click on publish again. You will now get a pop-up with your S3 link. So you now know how to change an image inside a landing page.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.